Hello and welcome to Barb Talks. Today we're talking about some things I got from Duluth. Duluth is a store that I just love because they've got practical clothes that fit working women and men for that matter. These are some pants that I got or some shorts that I got recently. And what I like about these is they're really stretchy. They've got a stretchy fabric and they've got a back pocket. Actually, two back pockets. You can see them there. And they have a gusseted crotch so that you can bend and stretch and do all the things you need to do. There's the gusseted crotch there. They've got deep pockets that you put your Kleenexes in or your credit card or whatever you need. Now, these aren't what you would call pants you'd go out fancy, doing fancy stuff with. But what they're really good for is gardening because they're made out of a fabric that is really wicking and lightweight. And you know, when you're out in the garden, you don't want pants that are jeans or something hard to squat in or something hard to bend in or twist or that type of thing. You want something that moves with you. And these do that. And if you're in the garden and you need shorts, it's probably pretty hot outside. So that's another reason that you don't want jeans or some heavy fabric if you're wearing shorts. If you're wearing long pants, yeah. But if you're wearing shorts, you want something that fits you comfortably. The other thing I like about these particular pants is they go down to about just above my knee. And that way I don't have to show too much when I'm out bending and stretching and digging in the garden. And I also like that it's got the really relaxed waist that I can tighten the strings if I want to, or just leave it open. They're just easy pants to put on, take off, bend and stretch in, which is perfect for garden wear. The other thing that I got from Duluth that kind of matches those pants, it wasn't intended. I actually got this shirt before I got the pants. And it is another very lightweight fabric. And it has underarm gussets, so you can bend and stretch and move around. It's got in the back along the upper neck area a breathable panel. It's very lightweight fabric. You can roll up the sleeves and then attach the little loop around that so it can make the sleeves can be long or they can be rolled all the way up, or how I sometimes just roll them up like that so they're a little bit shorter, about to my wrist. That's where I like them. The other thing I like about this is it's got darts. So it follows the curves of a woman. And so often, if you're out in the garden bending and stretching and stuff like that, you still kind of want to look nice. And if I need to run to the grocery store, I don't feel like, ew, yuck, this looks terrible. It looks good. So another thing I like about the Duluth shirts is that they have this little chamois cloth, so you can wipe your glasses or your cell phone with it to clean them up when you're out and about. Another thing I like is that it has some special buttons that are hidden so that, because sometimes there's gaping right around here, around the bust line for women, and so it's got bust line special buttons that, I don't even know if I can show you what they look like here, because on the, well, actually, yeah, see how the buttons line up like that, but it looks like there's less buttonholes. The reason is that some of those buttonholes actually are hidden. So these are extra buttonholes so that it looks nice on the outside like regular buttons, but where you really need the hidden buttonholes, it has all these extra buttonholes right around the bust line, and then it goes to the long ones again. So, oh, another thing it has is a pocket, a little side pocket in the front, a zip pocket. So it's like, has all these, it's almost like a James Bond type of shirt. It has all these little secret things secret pockets and secret buttons, secret chamois clean your cell phone glasses type of thing. And it's a really lightweight fabric. Oh, another thing that it has is the collar. It has a regular collar, but then it also comes out even higher. See, there's that little extra bit of collar there so that it shades your neck if you're out in the sun and you want to protect your neck. So you can fold that little extra piece under and just have a regular collar, or you can fold it out and have extra protection in your neck. And it has a hanging loop on the back and a hanging loop on the inside. So I just am enamored by Duluth shirts for women, because so often women's shirts don't have the same detail as men's work shirts. Men's work shirts have all these great little things, and men's pants have gussets and that type of thing. And now women's workwear does the same thing through the Duluth company. Now, I purchased these. They're not paying me, but if they're watching this and want to send me product, I would certainly wear it because I love their stuff. So that's what I got for this summer for me to work out in the garden with. And yet it doesn't look so bad if I'm walking around the neighborhood doing errands either. Hope that helps you in looking for clothes that fit for a working woman's body. And thanks for watching Barb Talks.